Hi everyone, Sean Goerss here with 14 Moves at Keller Williams Realty with some quick tips if you're thinking, should I sell my house myself? We get asked this question a lot. We actually have a free handbook that's available by request if you'd like some basic steps on how to look at selling your house yourself. So there's really 4 types of buyers to consider out there when thinking of selling your house yourself. The first is serious and in a hurry. They might be moving through our town, they have 3 days to buy a house, or their current house might be sold, so now they're really motivated to go find a house. Those buyers, most of the time working with an agent because they don't have time to waste, they don't have time to rent a car, drive around town. Second type of buyer, serious, not in a hurry. They might be first-time home buyers, or they might just want a professional who's going to guide them through every step of the process so they don't miss anything. That type of buyer, that second type of buyer, also working with an agent because they want to know that all the details are going to get covered. We've got the third type of buyer, investors. Investors are trained to call for sale by owners, people who are thinking of selling their homes themselves, because their objective, of course, and we work with a lot of investors, and we know this to be true, they want to buy your house 10 to 50 cents on the dollar. So they're generally not working with real estate agents, and sometimes they can, they really can be kind of trained to call those for sale by owner kind of people. The fourth type of buyer that we say out there, really not a buyer, looky-loos. Looky-loos, of course, wasting your time. They're not actually qualified to buy your house, or they're really just curious. And so you show them through your whole house, and here they don't even have a pre-approval letter. They're not actually financially capable or motivated to actually move. So out of those 4 types of buyers, that's what you want to consider, those first 2 types of buyers that actually work with real estate agents. And so as a for sale by owner, please consider that and all the other factors, and contact us for that list if you'd like, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.